They were family, not just photos on a wall or numbers in a death toll. The Diaz family in Peru recently lost 5 members of its family to the coronavirus. A tragedy, they say, that's difficult to bear.
Es algo muy impactante porque no
It's something very shocking, one family member says, because not only my mother left, but also my grandparents, my uncles, so the recovery has been slow. Their losses are just a snapshot of the sickness that's sweeping the globe. Over the weekend, the WHO reported a record number of new cases worldwide in a 24-hour period. And in Latin America, COVID-19 cases have ticked up, passing the 6 million mark. More than half of those infections are in Brazil. Experts say it hasn't reached the peak of its health crisis. But despite that, it reopened some of its iconic landmarks over the weekend with masks required and limited admission. The city of Seoul is tightening its social distancing measures to try to contain its worst outbreak of the virus since March. Officials say some clusters are linked to religious gatherings and warn there could be tough times ahead. The situation is showing the early sign of another wave of epidemics, one official says. If we cannot control the virus spread properly, we will face a dangerous situation. Cruise lines have been largely moored since the beginning of the pandemic, but as of Sunday, some Mediterranean cruise liners can sail again, carrying only European passengers with strict rules about excursions. Italy is trying to stop travelers from bringing the virus back from holiday. It began testing people coming from popular tourist spots like Spain, Greece, Croatia, and Malta at airport checkpoints. A more welcoming arrival in Frankfurt, where a couple separated for months since he's German and she's from Brazil, was finally able to reunite after Germany allowed unmarried partners from non-EU nations to enter the country. It's just an incredible feeling, the man says. I'm going to see my darling again after 6.5 months. A rare scene these days, where social distancing perhaps shouldn't be required. Kim Brunhuber, CNN, Atlanta.